Panther Marine manufactures steering kits for various main motor to kicker motor steering applications. The 55-2400 and 55-2600 series are auxiliary motor steering kits designed to provide remote control steering for kicker motors up to 25 horsepower. They feature a C-clamp that fits over the hydraulic steering rod and a ball stud with a quick disconnect that attaches to your kicker motor. These kits are available in zinc carbon freshwater models as well as stainless steel for saltwater applications. The 55-2700 and the 55-2900 models are extremely heavy-duty tie bar kits. The half-inch tie bar is available in two versions, connecting to either your C-Star or U-Flex hydraulic steering system. Both models are constructed of stainless steel, and if your hydraulic system is ever changed, drive brackets to make the necessary adjustments are available.